Okay guys, we're back. This is a 16 Forester. I'm cleaning the door handles. We're gonna do some paint work on the door handles because we can't get this crud off the door handles. There it is. I'm gonna scotch it a little bit. There's some 320. That's just a red Scotch, right? It's the roughest. It's a rougher one than usual. I'll clean that. Okay, that's clean. Now, for the fun stuff, I gotta tape it. The better we tape it, the less overspray we get. All right, warm it up a little bit. Oh, we got a little bit of overspray, which I could take out with one of these guys.
What is that?
That's brake cleaner.
What kind of paint did you use?
I use a SEM paint. Get all some just dirt. A little dirt right here, just from the just original. Like that. My detail guy missed it. Perfect. We have one more door to go. Let's go to the back, gentlemen. One more door to go.